Ready to ditch those tinny TV speakers and finally experience immersive PS5 audio with your Logitech G733? Let's get you connected. First things first, locate the USB wireless receiver that came bundled with your G733 headset. This little guy is key to making the connection. Now, head over to the back of your PlayStation 5. You'll see a couple of USB ports. Plug the G733's USB receiver into one of these ports. Make sure it's firmly connected. Next, grab your DualSense controller and navigate to the settings menu on your PS5's home screen. It looks like a little gear icon. Scroll down through the settings until you find the sound option. Select it to open the sound settings menu. In the sound menu, locate and select output device. This is where you'll tell the PS5 to use your headset. You should now see your Logitech G733 headset listed as an available output device. Select it. Make sure the output device shows G733. Finally, double-check the output to headphones setting. Ensure it's set to all audio so you hear everything game audio and chat through your G733. You are set. That's it. Your G733 should now be connected and pumping out glorious PS5 audio. Enjoy your gaming experience.